Yeah.
In the earlier videos, I did make a comment that I'm going to share a lot of details, but I can't share everything because some of the recipe we have to keep for ourselves. Now that I've run into an issue with the car, should I share this issue with you guys? Or should I keep it a secret? I'm going to share this one with you guys. So follow me carefully in this video and you will see that the problem I run into and how I find the solution and correct the problem. Now I'm doing the diagnostic and reprogramming, and this is all the trouble codes there inside the system, and that's mere from the accident, you know. So let's just go through everything and reset everything, do all the recalibrations. Now let's do a scan on the complete car. Being that we just rebuild it and everything just fit back, we should see many trouble codes. And they can see how much trouble codes there, so we know that we got to do a reset and recalibration of the entire vehicle system. So after doing so much work on the car, I've hit a dead end. So to do all that work and the car not moving, the car have so many trouble code, and is not, while some of the trouble code is saying communication between different ECU, I needed to take a break from the car for about 2 weeks. Let my head cycle, because you know, you're like wondering what have I get myself into. Because I'm saying to myself, so much different system have a problem and so many trouble code. How could that be? And suddenly it come to me that, you know, there's something that dealing with all of the ECU have a problem. Let's do some more diagnostic and see what I've come up with. Today is a Sunday and doing some diagnostic on this Mini. Once I finish put the car together, I try to do a recalibration, because once all the electronic disconnect, you have to go through that procedure. However, I found that the system have a lot of trouble codes, and if I just go into the EDM That alone have like 14 trouble codes. So altogether, it's just so much trouble code that I'm pretty sure there's an issue with one of the wire connection, maybe in the wire loom, because there's too much different system that have a trouble code. So what I'm going to do is just check the schematic diagram. So I needed to take out back all the panels there, and I'm just checking to see if there's any wire, and this is the low volt circuit, just a 12 volt, so I can use my normal protective gloves. And all these connectors look good so far. Okay, so I think we have a problem. It seems like a brown cable, it's brown. But I'm going to check to see exactly where it's come from. I can't see nothing. I may need to take back out the battery. It seems like it's a chassis ground. So I will take out back the battery to see under where does it come from. And I think this is our main problem here. So this is this one wire, I believe give me all that trouble code, and it's a brown heavy gauge wire, so I know many different systems connect to it. I needed to pull this section here back out. That wire I show you, this ground cable, just need to get it reconnected in the correct position. After reconnecting that ground cable, I'm happy with the resetting of the code so far. And you can see there, remember how there was so much orange boxes there, and each one of those boxes did have like 5, 6, 10 trouble code. So now it's all cleared up, and I basically have 3. So I'm going to investigate those some more and try to resolve them. So that's a huge improvement that I'm excited about that. So I'm down to 1 trouble code, 1. That's serious progress. So let's see what this one is. Let's try get a little bit deeper. And basically, I got to do a recalibration for the flex ring.